BBK put health, safety and well-being at the forefront of everything they do.
The one truly amazing thing about PPP is it brings all the major contractors from across the UK together in one place delivering a framework, which means we're taking best practice and knowledge from all them companies and bringing it back internally to in the organisations. BBK have been involved in the nuclear sector since nuclear became a thing. The first project they were involved in was Calder Hall, and they've been involved in the nuclear industry consistently since then.
BBK on SRP are responsible for the HVAC installation and also the mechanical pipework installation. In terms of scale, it's probably the largest HVAC installation project on Sellafield over the past 10 or 15 years, with roughly 8,000 individual items of HVAC being installed over the construction period, consistent with 7,500 metres of high integrity pipework as well.
Something really important in PPP is safety, and we have something called the Safety Hub where we've brought all the contractors together and we're sharing industry best practice, and we're developing not only our capability at Sellafield but outside of Sellafield in the wider industry.
So BBK have brought a number of ideas and best practices to the Safety Hub. One of these is the Balfour Beatty Golden Rules. So there are 4 Balfour Beatty Golden Rules, which is be fit for work, always receive a briefing, report all unsafe events and conditions, and stop work if anything changes. So we influence the framework to bring these on board, and it has now been rolled across the PPP framework. Currently, BBK are the leading KDP with regards to hitting all the targets, such as inspections, assurance activities and observations. Now, this is testament to the hard work of our teams and workforce that we've got on our sites.
PPP's always going to be a major employer within the local community, but something really important to me is about reaching out to people that are from deprived areas and deprived communities. And PPP, through the intern programme, are developing individuals that wouldn't necessarily always have them opportunities. Bringing new people into the industry is really, really important because it's changing every day. As an ex-apprentice myself, I'm really passionate about bringing the next generation through and developing them into our future leaders.
I grew up in Gosforth, and then after school I went to college for 1 year to do sports science. It wasn't what I expected it to be, so I asked my dad and brother. They both did an electrical apprentice course, and they both said it was alright, and they've got good jobs now. So at first I got put with another apprentice and an electrician. Got put with a few different people doing different things, so you got to see like what everyone did. Because we got to try the different jobs, you know how to do a lot of different things. I prefer like jobs rather than like sitting in an office. It's like doing something active. And all the people. I like the people. They're nice.
So under the PPP framework, the opportunity to grow into new roles is there. The pipeline is visible. So from a young professional, the ability to see the next 15 years worth of work is really important from a career development point of view. And that's why I enjoy working on the PPP framework. The future for BBK on Sellafield is really, really promising. We're in a really good position now after spending 43 years on the site, but we're now in a position where we've got 15 years worth of major projects that we're going to deliver. In order to deliver that, we're going to use local resource, we're going to use local supply chain, and we're going to build on our existing footprint.
It's all about our people. So I'm really passionate about investing in our people, growing the next generation of leaders, whilst also leaving a legacy in the local community.